Imagine you're on a business trip and you need to pay for a last-minute taxi or a quick meal. What do? You could use your personal credit card, but that means waiting for reimbursement, which can be a hassle. Or, you could use Expensify Cash. Expensify Cash is a digital wallet that's designed to make business expenses easier and more convenient. It's a feature that's built into the Expensify app, so if you're already using Expensify to track your expenses, you're just a few clicks away from accessing Expensify Cash. What is Expensify Cash? In essence, Expensify Cash is like a prepaid debit card. You can add funds to your wallet using your bank account, and then use the card to make purchases anywhere that accepts MasterCard. The best part is that you can track your spending in real time, so you always know how much money you have left. Key benefits of Expensify Cash. Asterisk convenience, no more waiting for reimbursements. Asterisk security, your funds are protected by MasterCard's fraud protection. Asterisk flexibility, use Expensify Cash for both personal and business expenses. Asterisk integration, seamlessly integrates with the Expensify app for easy expense tracking. How to use Expensify Cash. To start using Expensify Cash, simply add funds to your wallet. You can do this by linking your bank account or using a credit card. Once your funds are available, you can use your Expensify Cash card to make purchases. When you're done, you can easily track your spending in the Expensify app. Real-world examples. Let's say you're on a business trip and need to pay for a taxi. You can simply use your Expensify Cash card to pay the driver. The transaction will be recorded in your Expensify app, so you can easily expense it later. Or, maybe you need to buy a gift for a client. You can use Expensify Cash to pay for the gift, and then expense it as a business expense. Additional features. Expensify Cash also offers a few additional features that can make your life easier. For example, you can set spending limits to help you stay on budget. You can also get notifications when your balance is low. Expensify Cash is a valuable tool for anyone who needs to manage their business expenses. It's convenient, secure, and easy to use. If you're already using Expensify, there's no reason not to give Expensify Cash a try. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.